If you want to stop PayPal from automatically renewing a subscription or service, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account associated with the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon or Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Access Payments. In the Settings menu, find and select the Payments tab. This section contains information about your payment preferences and subscriptions. Step 4. Manage Pre-approved Payments. Look for a link or option that says Manage Pre-approved Payments or Manage Automatic Payments. Click on this to view all your active subscriptions and payments. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Find the subscription you wish to stop and click on it. You should see an option to cancel or stop the auto-renewal. Confirm your choice to ensure the subscription is no longer active. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any unwanted auto-renewals on your PayPal account. Always check your subscriptions regularly to manage your payments effectively.